Good morning, Boxo. You like my new house? Congratulations. Good for you. This is my room. I used to be in pajamas.
Whoa, Lammis is really good at waking up early. What the heck is she going to anyway? Wait, is she about to get changed? Oh no.
Sorry, Boxo. Hate to see you like this, but can you close your eyes, please? Thank you.
I'm closing my eyes so I don't see her naked like this.
Okay, guys, change into my clothes. Open your eyes now. Thanks. Anyway, I better take you to my breakfast there. Come with me. Good morning. Good morning. Alright, so I'm gonna have to make some breakfast.
So I believe that Lammis is probably wanting to eat breakfast. What's my status? Looks like I don't have any food. Well, I do have food, but it's not enough for breakfast for me. I'm a vending machine, and I cannot move like this.
Delicious.
So I really stand there, just standing on the wall, just watch her eat, don't I?